Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what matters: a compliant photo, your application number, and a verified ID. Once logged into the Tnpsc portal, navigate to Profile, then Edit Photo. You do this first because the system validates format immediately. Make sure the image is 35 mm by 45 mm, JPG under 100 KB. This prevents instant rejection. If your photo needs cropping or background cleanup, do that now. Save a copy named with your app number. Once your image meets specs, open the Edit Photo section and click Choose File. Select the prepared photo and hit Upload to preview. You want to confirm the face is centered, eyes visible, and there's no shadow, because automated checks will flag that. Align the crop box, and once satisfied, use Save Draft. This preserves your changes without finalizing. Make sure to read any on-screen error messages. They tell you why an upload failed, so you can correct size or format immediately. When the preview looks correct, click Final Submit and wait for the confirmation ID. You should download or screenshot the receipt as proof. Once done, log out and verify your profile shows the new photo. If the upload is rejected, don't panic. Check type, JPG, size, 100 KB, dimensions, and remove extra metadata. Clear your browser cache and try again. If problems persist, contact the Tnpsc help desk with your application number and the rejection screenshot so they can provide specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.